Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes Izindaba Zabantu, this is definitely the channel for you. Guys, it's a war. Where's the war? It's a war between Ulihleza and Unota. So how this thing started, ne? Nota was on a podcast, khona la YouTube. Nota was discussing, most Nota in podcast, guys, you will always see him on podcasts. So Gesana Ukai was on this podcast, they were discussing the issues, ne? And then he said something about Ulihleza. Nota was like, one thing about Ulihleza, Lihleza nje izinto lezi azireleasayo, the songs that he releases sana, they are trash. Those songs, they are just trash. Ukai nje doesn't know how to make music kahle kahle. So yes, Anna Ulihleza, obvious guys, he was going to say that like social media will always have something to say. The videos were also circulating on TikTok. The videos were all over, of Unota saying this thing. And then Kesana Lihleza saw the videos, or maybe he saw a podcast, I don't know. But then he went to Twitter, and I still call it Twitter. I know it's called X now, but I still call it Twitter. Lihleza went to Twitter and wrote ukuthi one day kulama podcast wenu yazi nizofa, one day kuzofa umuntu kulama podcast. He didn't mention any names, but because we already know the beef sana, we already know which person he is talking about. And then Kesana Unota posted a video of children dancing to Ingoma Kalihleza. The song was Iti Nika Labafani Kekelabo, and then Unota posted that song. School children, guys, in primary, maybe grade 2, grade 1, dancing to this song, saying Nika Labafani Kekelabo Balambile, don't. And then he kept shitty. He was like, Mbulali Wesizwe, referring to Ulihleza. He was like, Mbulali Wesizwe, and then checked Ulihleza. What, and said some things, but he was like, you are killing the nation, Lihleza, with your songs. Like, try to do better, Mugai, And then Lihleza replied, and he was like, if you want, under the post on Twitter, ne? Where he was tagged by Unota. He replied, he was like, if you want to listen to motivational songs, listen to your ex-wife's album. Yo! Bazana. So definitely, nje uyasho ukuthi, you know what, I'm not here to make motivational songs. I am not about that life. If you want to be motivated, when I go to your ex-wife and listen to her album, because Sana, we all know Nota's ex-wife, Uberita, she is always catching fire because of Nota, guys. She is always catching fire. And imagine, like, you are no longer with this person, but you are always dragged in their drama. Hey, it's a war. It's definitely a war. And one thing about music, guys, when you release music, ne, you already know it's not going to be listened by older people only, like the youth, and children will listen to your music, and we can't stop them. Even if maybe utwena, no, in my house we don't play this type of music, they will hear it somewhere else, they will hear it at school from other children, outside. So we really need to be careful. I can't even imagine my own child singing to the song. And it's all it's a girl. And maybe these children are just singing this song, they don't even understand a word. Kodwa sana. Hi, kuningi. Sana. One thing about amapiano nje. Hey, I'm a piano. People are just saying things, and then you are this big artist now. Kodwa nje, we are not against them, we are not against them. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. I will see you on my next one.